Hi, this is Ali Muhammad, and today we will start recording tutorial series for Kentico, and we will start after we install the Kentico installer manager. I will not discipline how to install Kentico manager because most it's easy. Next. All you need to do, okay, it's there's nothing to discipline there. Okay, I will start by install new website. Okay, when I click install, it will show me the welcome message. I will click next. After that, I will choose the country. This one for only the license. It will show the agreement maybe will change depends with the country you choose. Now I will go and install custom, but the option quick install. This one will give me the sample of Kentico with the basic configuration, but I will go for custom to discipline for you everything. Okay, I will click custom. Here I have MVC and web MVC and sorry, the portal engine. It's the portal engine built using web form and Kentico will support for 2020. It's better if we want to build a new website, use MVC because MVC new technology and will be support for longer time. After I click next, here I can register the IIS locally. I recommend if you will use it and build it in one computer and publish it to another computer or another server, no need to register because you will have a lot of website. It's better to keep it like that and every time click build or build without debug. It's better than register it and especially if you will use it in others. Here you can change the name or choose sample. This option, if you want to see the sample for Kentico, I recommend to use sample. If you're new to Kentico, you need it, and you can before you put your website. Now I will change the folder name. Okay, and after that, oh sorry, it's Kentico test. Okay, I will change. Okay, after that I will click next. Okay, here I have the server. I can keep it without connected server. It will be integrated with the database. But if I have the server, it's better to connect it with the server. Okay, it will be easier when you want to publish it, or you can connect it with team server. Everybody can share same folder, same files, and connect to the same server. I think I make a mistake in the name. Okay, hold on. Just I will provide the server name. Okay, I put the server name. Now it's correct. I will create the new database. I will write the new name for the database. I will choose next. After that, these options I don't recommend if same the IIS. If you will build it here and publish it in another server, it's better to keep this option. And after that you can go and enable it. If I want to install enable later on, it will have better than install it from now because it will give some issue sometimes when you use these options. It's better to keep it later on. Okay, I will now move to second options next. After that, there are no option to change here. I will click next immediately, install. It will take time to install. We will wait for it to install. After finishing the installation, we will go and add it to the Kentico installer. But let's wait. I will stop and come back again for it after I finish. Okay, it's finished installing right now, and now what we will do, you can see the folder here. You can see the folder which contain the project.